Hi everyone, this is Linda with another recipe. Today I'm showing you how to make strawberry banana milkshake, and it uses only 4 ingredients. All you do is put them into your blender and blend them together. Then you have a beautiful, delicious strawberry banana milkshake. Hi there. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Yeah, so if you think it's thick, you add more milk to dilute it a little bit. Um, you can also add ice if you want it more thick, or use frozen fruits as well. So there you have it, strawberry banana milkshake ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching.